G'day everyone, Greg here from Fishplay Films, and as you can see, I'm in my shed, or in my garage. Oh, look at that. Where did that come from? And I'm doing a bit of a clean-up. I don't normally do stuff like this, but I just had to tell you, this is just nuts. I stumbled across some old cat litter that I had that I was setting my rock molds on, because someone said that was a good idea when they were drying, but it turned out not to be too good because it's really cheap-ass cat litter. Now hang on, I'm getting backlit here. First rule of photography, there we go. It's really cheap-ass kitty litter. When my friends were staying here and they had their cat. Now, cheap-ass kitty litter is big and lumpy and it's just rubbish. It doesn't work very well. I'll give you a look at it, but I tell you what, I have discovered that it is fantastic for. This might be a thing that maybe I don't know about and everyone else does, me being scenery challenged. But anyway, I'm going to give you a look, and I think it's fantastic. And yeah, let's have a look. Let's go. Come on. Right, I haven't even got out the good camera to do this today because I'm so excited. This is, where are we? Cheap ass kitty litter. See, look at those big lumps there. They're Zellite or whatever it is. And these are where are we? God, I can't even. These are rock solid, these things. Like, I can't break these things up. They're actually like rock. I think they're Zellite or whatever they are. Anyway, you can eventually break them, but they're a lot harder than plaster. I don't know how they soak up anything. Anyway, they don't because they're cheap-ass kitty litter. And I was looking at it and I'm thinking, you know, I looked at woodland sinks and all that sort of stuff, and you call it over in America, you call it rip wrap. Well, we just call it rocks here, or we might call it blue metal rocks or whatever, but it's the sort of rocks you see, you know, they might build up something next to the railway line, or the rocks that fall from a cutting or whatever, and they're down the bottom of the hill, which I know I need to do. Now, what I did with this was just sitting there, and you can see all the small stuff falls to the bottom, and the big stuff comes to the top. And you could sieve this to whatever size you wanted, but I thought that looks exactly like riprap that you pay quite a bit of money for. So I thought, what the hell, I'll just mix up myself a really cheap black wash using this really cheap paint that I don't advise using for colouring rocks because you get what you pay for. But I thought, literally just a 5-minute experiment, and I mixed that up, and I literally, look, I had that in here. Let's do it live, and I'll get some of the worst video I've ever done, right? But let's just prove a point. In it goes. There we go. Now this stuff is sort of a light brown colour to start with. And then we'll pour that in there like that. And we'll put our riprap in there. Now let's go over to my spray booth. This is where I do my weathering and that in the garage. Now have a look at that. Where are we? This is the stuff after it's dried, and it is fantastic. And that's just with a black wash. You could put a brown wash with it, and you can see, because it's a light wash, the light colour is coming through, and it's giving you some really nice contrast there. You can't really see it on the phone, but some of these bits are brown, have brown bits in them, like this bit here. Where are we? I know, iPhone footage, I know it's really bad. Where's the frickin' lens? Oh, give me a good camera. Goodness me. So it's got a bit of brown to it. So there you go. I'm going to make up a ship ton of this. And you can use all different colours, obviously, just whatever wash. I'm going to try a brown wash. And oh, look, there's a brown bit there that just happens to have gone brown. So look at that. That's that side. Look at that side. Now, that's just had a black wash on it. So there you go, folks. Just a quickie. How about that? The old crappy kitty litter. Probably not a good idea to use kitty litter that's being used as kitty litter. Just a thought. But I'm going to make a heap of this in different colours. And there's your riprap. And perfect. There you go. Anyway, just a quickie. More updates coming up. I've been working on the house because I'm opening it up for Airbnb. That's right, if you're coming to Brisbane, you can come and stay at the home of the Birdwood subdivision and possibly see Lord Stan, if you're unlucky enough. Anyway, so I figured, what the hell, open up the house, share it to a few people, and make some money so I can come back to America, because I need to get back, because I've run out of footage. That's right. So stand by, Donald. Coming to get ya. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon with a proper video. Hooroo for now. Bye-bye.